friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to share with you my mom's secret recipe of a quick and tasty cocktail snack, Ginger Fritters. Please subscribe to our channel if you still have not done. Thank you. We only need 4 ingredients for it. 1 cup wheat flour, ginger juliennes, salt and chopped coriander. In a mixing bowl, add flour, salt, just about 1 teaspoon, and chopped coriander. Add some water and mix it nicely. Mix it nicely and be sure that there are no lumps formed. Now add the ginger juliennes into the batter and coat them with the batter. In hot oil, drop the batter coated ginger pieces one by one. Fry them on a medium flame until they are golden. Now our fritters are ready to be served. Our spicy and crispy ginger fritters are ready. Serve it with fresh coriander chutney.